you should try to visualize as many as possible according to your imagination, and even say for example the flower, you visualize offering goddesses, some holding flower garlands and some holding some sprinkling flowers and some holding flower pots and so forth, not just only one single a lonely offering goddess making only one flower and so forth.
다시 전바도 소소냐라 표주로다 주인 도저마기드니 춘중데 지바tam제데 드니 되게 자야라마 저드니 디 지바tam제드니 남들 보송이 돼 투줄 총에 받는 디 콘도 추에 받는 사무 동바디기 되는데 콘도 추에드니 사무 동바디 또 받는 대화천 비시 투줄 총송 사면에 받자는 전다 어다 제마 주피야 도스레스.
And then after that you make offering of what is known as the six knowledge consorts, and these are the first one is Adarshe, Vajra Adarshe. This goddess visualized holding mirrors. It's the offering is the visible form, and the second case holding guitars and stars. Here the offering is the musics, and the fourth case, in the third case, offering perfumes, which you visualize anointing at the heart of the figures, and the fourth case it's the rase, it's the foods which holds different kinds of foods with 100 delicious flavors, and the parshe, that's the touch, you visualize holding many different kind of celestial clothes and so forth. And the last one, it's these are the five offering goddesses of the five sense objects, and then in addition you have one offering goddess which holds a reality source, a Dharmodaya in a right hand, and then the figures of the merit field, when they see this Dharmodaya holding by the offering goddess, just by the sight of this Dharmodaya arouses within them the realization of emptiness, the realization of the three doors of liberation, and then they generate a great bliss which realizes this emptiness.
랑 투간에 봤더니 로다지마 쥐네 랑 투간에 로다지마 쥐네더니 난전이 쥐네 퇴바 토바더니 그랬더니 퇴바더니 난전이 쥐네 배네 표현 매화전 너는 온바서 담아 사버려고 오마 그룹에서 담아 사버려고 오마 쓰잖아더니 난전 표현 매화자라스.
And then again you send out you create from your heart Rasa Vajre, that is the offering goddess of food, holding skull cups in their hands, and then they scoop up inner offerings from the big kapala, and then make inner offerings to the figures of the merit field. And here you have to say the mantra Om Guru, and then you have to say the Om Ahum.
다들 이 조례야더니 랑게 토가는야 한번 빼맞잖아 써봤던데 그랬더니 제마한테 쥐는데 제마 빠도면 쥐는데 계속 그걸로 도진내 주면 꼬르죠 도진내 주면 꼬르죠 봤더니 드나드네 라마드네 바우도 지출로 사제도 지출로 써봤대 서로 표현해 드네 계속 라마 연료 맞춰 발더니 도주로더니 대통령이 제바 지출로 제송을 삼에 매바 제바데 사요 제바데 대권한이 제바이 말이스.
And then again you create from your heart lots of beautiful consorts, attractive consorts endowed with lotuses and so forth, and then these consorts enter into union with all the figures of the merit field, which are in the form of Buddha Vajradharma and Hero Vajradharma. They enter into union with the figures of the merit field, and then the union arouses within the figure of the merit field a great bliss, and then this bliss realizes emptiness. And then therefore they cultivate a wisdom inseparable of great bliss and emptiness, and this is known like this is the sacred offering, and also the suchness, the offering of suchness.
다지 줄었더니 고조선로 다지 디바탄 소자선 제가 갈려더니 자주지 센송하러다 네 연락 좀 받잖아더니 디바샤바도 제소 예랑 왔더니 자주지 센송하다 땀로다 어떤 얘기 듣다 간다 연락 줘요리 근데 뭐야 연락을 받으래 근데 그랬더니 연락 좀 못했잖아요 주로 쳐봐 표현다 뒤에 말이지
So the next one is the practice of the 7 limbs, and it is actually an offering of practice. So it begins beginning from the taking of refuge down to the dedication limb.
onda di juliyada ne 고살리고 소소전다 데려다 고살리고 소소전 다 데리슈 주연 용어면도 내 맞은데 대스 하소되다 단디 조사들이야 되네 더 라면에 저리 막 뒤에 가나 라면에 저리 막 뒤에 가나 해야 되네 더 저는 디샤마가 되네 고살리고 소소되지 디 조사리야 되네 윤대전 되네 수화됐다 디 조사리야 되네 원시 전을 내야지 원시 전을 내야지 아니 디 조사들이야 되네 라마티게 지야 템제 되네 언드네 타마로 되네 라그 디자사야 라말팀 라그 디자사야 라마드네 라라마드네 템제 네 네게 가도는 밤이게 나바주는데 라세 예매도 제베메 바샤가 됐어
So actually we cannot cover the Kusali Chok today. So actually after the Kusali Chok you have to take the 4 initiations from the Guru and then do the lineage Guru prayer, and after that you have to dissolve the merit field, the figures of the merit field, and then all of these gurus, the lineage gurus, dissolves into your spiritual guru, and then your spiritual guru dissolves through your crown, and then dissolves into the sit syllable pam, which is at your heart, and then it becomes inseparable with your mind.
onda 도스는 제디 시바 당보고 저로 된지베지 다 시바 니바 저로 된네 다제는 만 로로 진다 또 도지만 셰시는 또 드네만 저는 무슨 소리는 또 뭐죠? 나니 계지게 저도 도진내죠만 주로 내게지게 저도 도진내죠만 단디 계지 중재들었어.
So now this is the second repetition given on the basis of the sadhana, and this is the instantaneous self-generation.
나제 나제게 제지만 가져서는 연어 그런 그거는 무슨 나만 제지내면 저 다주주면서 말해 가지고 란도 되면 그런 지로 그런 맞은 놀라서 라지는 저서 저저 매장와 근데도 저는 단내내 맞는데 남태모의 주장이다 보다 언제는 melam jorong ka sa jolam gorong ka sa singeni buti ma da den jere ro ne jong la ro nya da jose ne jo ko so ka wa so la ro jo da nya ne da ne jo ke sa sa ro to ne ne zu ko na bur de ma jo ne de ne jo do se de ne ne je zo la ma to je jong la sho sin da di kyang do che on de ne ka su ji me ne sim je je de ne do ji sa ma gon de je on da tige dres.
So the third explanation given on the basis of the long dedication prayer, and we have reached up to the point where Vajrasattva meditation is done.
단 다자자다 드리 시바 수고 저러 dinjeja 동업이 매바 장은 쪽에 근데 더 계속 저어디 땀도 심제니 뭐 들어와다 다 계속 디토리아 드린 녀배 돼야 되게 근데 도지 삼바 공대다 라면에 저기 저어지는 데는 도지 삼바 공대지는 예제 사고야라고 라면에 저어지는 데는 봐드네 순대 라면 순대하고 제고하라고 다 dinje지 임바데 디주사들이야 되네 네바로 저야고 당제 되네 단지 디주고지 주고야 돼 단지 찾아나 차야 말이지 고살이 소소도 차야 말이지 마 템베메 가지고라도 돼 지마시는 되는 라마데 될 담제 사실 이렇게 말하다 저 라마마 도단지 이걸 수제 도시인스.
So the visualization that you have to do is, in addition to refuge and generation of the bodhicitta, which you have done yesterday, today you have to do chiefly the Guru Yoga practice, and also in addition the Vajrasattva meditation, and then do a repetition of the Vajrasattva Hiruka 100 syllable mantra. And the reason for why explaining the dissolution of the merit field is because although we haven't covered the Kusali talks and all those parts, but if we leave the gurus there without dissolving, it is not good.
ngana kunji jabra ja de de ne ju shi ne do de ne ne je ba yi de se zen je nyang yen de la be je ba wa go go ja je me ya da su ngana kunji jabra ja de ne ju shi ne do de ne ne je ba yi
Please cultivate the motivation of bodhicitta as explained in the instructions of Lamrim, the strong wish to achieve the union state of Vajradhara within this short lifetime. The teaching to which you are listening is the commentary on the two stages of Vajrayogini, and this has two basic outlines. So the second basic outline is divided into four sections, and we have covered the first three, and we are in the fourth one, which is the sequence of the actual practice of this teaching. So this has three divisions, and we have covered the first two one, and we are in the third one, that is how to engage in the actual practice. And this is divided into two, that is the practice of generation stage, chiefly to achieve the external dakini, and the practice of completion stage, which is chiefly to achieve the inner dakini. So the practice of generation stage is divided into what is known as the 11 yogas, and we have covered up to the third one, that is the yoga of the fourth one, that is the yoga of immeasurability, and today a second repetition, the explanation has should be given from the fourth yoga. And the explanation will be given from the point of instantaneous self-generation. And when you say that I arise myself instantaneously in the form of Vajrayogini, before that you have to dissolve the object of refuge into yourself, and then experience a great bliss.
And
then the empty appearance of dissolving all the appearances. And then having an apprehension of the non-inherent existence, and since these three factors should be complete. And focused upon this mind, which has these three factors complete, you should develop a divinely pride of being the resultant Dhammakaya. And then from within the sphere of emptiness, in the place where you have dissolved yourself, you visualize instantaneously arising in the form of red, blue light. Sorry, red light beam. And then, focused upon this, you have to develop the divinely proud of being Sambhogakaya. And then this red light beam transforms instantaneously into a Vajrayogini standing on a lotus seat and and then focused upon this, you have to develop the divinely practice of being Nirmanakaya. So this practice is a complete practice of taking the three factors into the path, is the three kayas. And then after that, you have to consecrate the inner offering, and the substance of inner offerings should be consecrated with first the cleansing, and then second the purification, and then the generation, and then the consecration. And then after having consecrated the inner offering, you have to consecrate the outer offering of self-generation, and this should be done with three characteristics complete. That is the distinctive feature of the nature and the aspect and the function. And then at the same time you have to do the respective gestures, the mudras of the offering, and simultaneously by the force of your inner concentration you have to visualize the respective offerings in the kapalas.
onda dingen zenda ji dine nga da ni dine 가수 주면은 dine 찾아다 잡아 jine di sum ko ni 진지라 말했어.
And then you also have to consecrate the mantras, consecrated by mantras, inserting the name of the offering substances between Om, Ah and Hum, and then with this you consecrate the outer offerings by your inner concentration and the mudras and also the mantras. So in order to engage in the practice of sadhana and to make it successful, one has to purify the negativities and accumulate merits. So as the practice for purification, you have to do the Vajrasattva meditation. And you visualize Vajrasattva union with his consort at your crown, and then nectars descending from their heart, and then visualizing all the negativities being purified. That is the Vajrasattva meditation.
네발에 란도베도 진짜 메제베 동세 원들이 님복권도 줘베 또서 되네 그돌이 양아 다야로도 제제베야드네 원들이 자자 고정로서 제바도 되네 님복권도 줘베 또 전드네 님복도 없이 상고르스.
So since Vajrasattva meditation is a purification practice, it is important to see that your practice is complete with the four powers or four forces. The first one is the power of base, the object, and the power of regret, and the power of resolve, and the power of the actual opponent force.
드니 디바 제바보다 디바 사샤베드니 디바당 원드니 가이나드니 디베 레드 제바 디베 자와전다 디바 사베 자와드 제바드니 딘데베 코som 지속 간걸로드니 또베 파타바자마도 유크랑 원에 두 뒤자에 야 말이 삼바로 드데게드니 디베 원드니 코som 메메베 디발이야드니 코som 메메베 데타바이나 드니 동닐 템바 아스체는드니 샤바 샤바 제야게베 님부 초도 줘바지 임바데스.
So at the end of your purification practice, if it is influenced by your reflection on the empty nature of phenomena, then it will be very powerful, because it is known as the sealing your practice by the reflection on emptiness. And here what you have to do is you have to reflect upon the 3 rounds, what is called the doer, that is the agent, and the action, and the agent and the action and the non-virtue which you have accumulated. So you have to view all these 3 as non-inherently existence. So if your purification practice is complete with all these factors, the 4 powers, and also it is influenced by your reflection on emptiness, then it is not possible to be not having purified them.
근데 드레게 샤동으로 야고 전에 딘디 조사들에 뭐다 녀샤바 제베 다소 삼바도 창고로마도 녀샤바 제베인데 다 아이는 섬 드레게 드네 태송으로 서게 되나 아니 디바타고 말했어.
So it is also important at the conclusion of your purification practice to have a confidence in yourself, thinking that now I have purified them and therefore they must have been purified. Otherwise, if you doubt yourself, thinking that although I have done a purification practice, I don't know if it has purified or not, then your practice won't be effective. 디바 샤동 전에 디바 타바 되는데 좀 된데게 수는 요리 담보비게 디바 산데 전 디바 연구를 했으니 좀 된데게 수는 바래 드니 니가로 되는 되는데 마데나 마데냐데스. Because the statement that if we engage in non-virtuous actions, we accumulate non-virtuous karmas, and if we purify the non-negativities, we can purify them. These 2 statements are made by the Lord Buddha himself, the same one person. So therefore, if one is true, it holds the same for the other one, and if one is false, then it also holds same for the other. So therefore, at the conclusion, you should visualize that, you should imagine that your negativities have been purified. And the next is the Guru Yoga practice.
단 라멘에주 되다 계속 주변 하시게 되네 라멘에주 다 디 주변 라마디게 세답니다 라고 늘려야 되네 세답네 늘지 나가려야 되네 가수님한테 제약하게 나눠들어야 되네 승계체 뭐 제지대에 뭐지 티제 대지려야 되네 라겠더니 자야라마디 라게 자야라마디는 산제도 주지 남발하고.
So for this you have to visualize the lineage and root gurus, your spiritual gurus, and this you have to visualize above in the space, in a very spacious celestial mansion, in the center of which, on a throne which is raised by 8 lions, is seated your spiritual guru in the form of Buddha Vajradharma, and which is surrounded from the front, anti-clockwise, by the lineage gurus.
And the Tagolia dine, Dojishune, so much you get Lama Lama to get back to get it Tamala dine, the Tagolia dine, Pau Dojish number in Setavaris.
And then the lineage gurus should be visualized around the spiritual guru, starting from Vajradharma, all the lineage gurus in the form of hero or Vajradharma.
Then Setavia, on the the Juve Lama Jigit Mawujin set up already, Yene to Samala Bendini, Ju Tataba Maniba, Ju Tataba Maniba, the Samala Bend, Lamati, Namru Imaro. What did some town of this? So
although you visualize in the front of the spiritual guru, all the lineage gurus, all the individual lineage gurus, but you should not have the feeling that they are different persons completely unrelated to each other, but rather all of these lineage gurus as manifestations of your own spiritual guru.
So today is an Lamanager sing it here. On the Zozo, Lama Givishini, Tenju, Sini Tezu, Yagucha, Tindicilla, Lamanager Sigurd Mado, Timayim, Sini Tezu, Yagucha Majo, Janet, dine dagas chene dine lama sanji lo gumde bara dine lama chewa ke sor dine dine pendo ke yungu yamaris.
So the actual meaning of a Guru Yoga practice is a proper reliance on one's spiritual guru. So if you lack that, although you might engage in such practices like Guru Puja and so forth, that won't be a practice of Guru Yoga.
So in short, the
therefore, in Lamrim Chemu, it was said that the practice of Guru Yoga, which is widely known, is nothing other than the practice of this kind. That means the reliance on the spiritual guru.
Lama Gyeshin be Sanjay Dene, Lama Lishin to Sanjay Mabaro. Sanjay Lishin, Lama Mabajiki, Lama the Sanjay or Yem at the Bandendo or with Johnson, and Shinita Zugita, on Kasuji and began Yamland or Tandigi.
So, in short, the practice of Guru Yoga means that you should have the feeling that there is no separate guru apart from a guru, apart from a Buddha, and you should view your own spiritual gurus as a completely enlightened being, and then there is also no Buddhas which are not the spiritual gurus. So when you have developed that kind of feeling, then that is the sign of your making progress in the Guru devotion practice.
And the Lama Sanjay Imbatawa, Lama Sanjay Ngota, Lama Sanjay Tuba Imbatawa, that Tinisha Madova, Tine, the No Sanjay Imbatawa, Mado. Number Sanjay in Batazu Yamade, number Sanjay Sutene, and Dikatul Jenny, Sanjay Dojicholos over the Gombe, Umguara water in the Imbadis.
In the practice of perfection vehicle, although you will find lots of instructions for seeing one's spiritual guru as Buddha, but only by nature, not in aspect. Whereas in the practice of Tantra, you find techniques also to see your spiritual gurus not only as Buddha by nature, but also in the aspect of Buddhas, like in this case Vajradharma.
And then the Kundo Marble Conjet, Sundo, Gasu Dojichula Conjet, Kundo Marble Chabati, on Loma, 2 Jesus Chaba Chambaro. What it is?
And the significance of visualizing your spiritual guru in this practice as having red color is signifies the intensity of spiritual gurus' love towards the practitioner yourself.
And then Dojichu said it, soon dodging orderly, and then Yarama Dojichu in a cigarettes.
And also the meaning of Vajradharma is the nature of all the Buddha's speech, which is Dhani Buddha Amitabha. Dhani Buddha Amitabha.
Just a day, Carter soon dodging all the day when I did. On the Dejal Chile Juyagi, Dejal Chile Juyadi, soon Tony Ju, Yamadine, Sanjay, Chini Demat Jordan, Chini Demat Jordan, Dejal Chus on the Dejal Chile Juba Izane, on the Sungi Chile, Salatangares.
And the significance of visualizing the spiritual guru in the Vajradharma, the embodiment of the Vajra speech of the Buddhas, is that it is chiefly through the speech, the activities of speech of the Buddhas, that they can benefit all the sentient beings, just as it is said in the sutra that by showing the nature of phenomena, the sentient beings can free themselves from samsara. So to show the significance of it, you visualize here in the form of Vajradharma.
Loma 2 Jesus Chabe, 2 Zawani Chamber, Gona Lane, and Dejal Chusum by Inzane, Dejal Chusum, but Degate, cousin, the Chile Jube, what we Yanaman Dinzane, on the Dojichil Javalis.
So this symbolizes the Buddhas engaging into the speech, bestowing the activities of speech to the sentient beings, induced by the strong compassion that they have, which is symbolized by the red color, and the bestowing the activities of speech is symbolized by his aspect of Vajradharma.
What was that? You can Lama to Sokolo, the round two shares and does some degree, some of the rāla tsū xēsi dēngi dīsi samdāna yāwa yāwaris.
And it is also more convenient to visualize all the gurus, the lineage gurus around this spiritual guru, all facing towards yourself.
Tā dīni sētab sāsuna dīni yishība jēntāni dīni dēmi yātiris.
And then after that, after the visualization, you have to invite the wisdom beings and then visualize entering into them.
Dīni dīshūla yādini, kāngi dīni gījīni lāsanga nītsī tū tuyānja dīni chātsā yātiris.
And then after that, you say the prostration verse and then you visualize prostrating.
And
the next is the making the outer offering, like Om Arga Maun. And then after the outer offering, you visualize creating Rasa Vajra, the offering goddess of food, and then scooping inner offering from the Kapala, and then making offering to all the gurus.
And
then after that, you again recreate from your heart the attractive consorts, like what is known as the lotus type and so forth, and then offer these consorts to the lineage, the gurus, and then by the force of their entering into union, you visualize the bodhicitta melting down, and then by that you make the secret and secret offering and the offering of suchness.
Lama chebe nalo su lang je da sang chebe pye de yong lang zu be zu ju de be ju za la lu zha ma xin jing kan jin hen ji pon le zun zi du ju me cha na me shi jin ni on to si ya de ni je ma be xin ji da hen ji da nga ji ge ne ba de je ma pye wa de su wa des.
So this verse where you make the offering of consort is taken from Guru Puja, and here you find many different types of consorts like field bone, mantra bone, and simultaneous bone, and so forth. And the meaning of the field bone consort is that the consort which has achieved the realization of generation stage but not the completion stage, these are known as field bone, and the consorts who have achieved the realization of completion stage but not the union, they are known as mantra bone, and the consorts who have achieved the union either of the with the learning which requires learning or of normal learning, these are known as the simultaneously born consorts. So, and after that is the offering of the practice. So if you want to make these offerings extensively, and then you can extract from Guru Pujas or from Heruka text, other related text where you find offering verses known as painted by a fine brush of samadhi and so forth.
누가 들려야 근데 세준하고 진짜 어도스러운데 교화전을 가지고 스카니 어레스.
So now the next one is the Kusali talk, and there are two interpretations of this term Kusali. And if it is Kusali without the vowel U in the second letter, then it means virtuous, virtuous. And if it is Kusuli with a vowel U, then it means
Machu.
I don't know. Kusuli with a vowel U, then it means non-fabricated, not artificial. It's a natural.
도저히 다 간단히 예치만 요 말이 되나 되네. 되네 7월로 배우는 세시다 명예지기. 겨울로서 기타 간지 두가 있는 7월로 세시다 명예지기. 나는 배시다 제야지기. 되지기 되네. 고아로다 되지지.
So in short, in both of these interpretations do not have any contradictions, and in short it means that practitioners who do not show his practices externally, but secretly he practices within himself.
대답하나 제세 시원하고 소리 들리는 제세 시원하게 있는 수비게 근데 미주 제하게 비게 통화로 들려야 되네. 이제 가수 중에 내 남녀로 스탄는 거 서로지 야 말했고 근데 통화로 들리지 말아진지 근데 사야 되다 근데 상체 둬야 되다 님이어야 되다 어디 대수무도 말하기는 걔랑 내대기 서로지 도 동의 어리디 얘네 옆에 나는 남녀들에 시작이 다시 한번 나는 거 어렸어.
So this practitioner is like the famous Bodhisattva Shantideva, and who from external appearance he only appears as just an ordinary person who only is concerned with his eating and then excreting and sleeping, but inwardly he is a very great practitioner.
재산디 고선이고 초소서야 돼야 돼. 칠월에 뭐세 되보나 가지고 남기배 냠내기 돌려 봐야 되니. 오늘 남긴 자체 뭐지 제야지기 되게 뒤인자니 내가 고선이 초소서지는 어디서 됐어.
And this part of the practice is called Kusali Tho, because here it means the accumulations of merit of Kusali, because this practice is a very effective one for accumulating merit without any external elaborations, external fanciness. So the accumulation of merit of Kusali, the Kusali Tsokso, is very similar to the practice of Chi, known as the cutting off. Because in this practice you make offering of your own body, the parts of your body. So because to make offerings of one's own body is much more effective and powerful than making any kind of external offering substances.
So
here at the beginning you have to develop a strong thought, attitude that although I have taken many forms, physical forms since beginningless time, but all of them have been not useful, not meaningful, and today I shall take advantage of this physical form and make this as Tsok offering to the three jewels and spiritual guru and make it meaningful. And then after that you visualize your mind, which is in the form of the syllable Bham, transforming into momentarily, instantaneously transforming into a very small thumb-sized Vajrayogini at your heart. And then you visualize this small Vajrayogini ascending upward, going upward through the center channel, and then through the crown it emerges out in the space.
And then 15年中赵老妈的写政治赵老妈的写政治是呢50个的把呢弄就在了的就所有的因为的赵老妈吃赵老妈工作的那边没把家嘛都被赵老妈的告诉你们的你们就话的这个的给什么的是的
So although in the text you find that your mind, the Tamsas, Vajrayogini emerges out through the center channel and then enters into union with a spiritual guru. Although it is said that thus in the text as the sadhana, but it is not to be taken literally. You just visualize it emerging out and then just sort of being close to the spiritual guru, not actually entering into union.
Then Rasan Dujina Madina, Lama Kunde Levan, Machidalonda, Machidalon Mataduzan, Rang Pumbunima Javada, Rang Pumbunima, Tamaba Pumbujan, Dietini, Tawada Chonda, the unit, Ravu, Samdani Amaris, Tinama, Rodo Majogunga, one Bagalis Dayadinga, Tassin, what the Nigi Chimbetan, Chimbetan, Lutanabati, or June. And
then when this Tamsas, your mind, Vajrayogini, reaches at the presence of the spiritual guru, she looks back and turns back and then looks towards the old, your physical form. And then she sees the old physical form now not in the form of a deity, but of an ordinary being. And if you are a monk, you should not visualize your form as that of a monk, but of the lay person, like where you have long hairs and so forth, and then visualize this old physical form being fallen down. And then when she sees this, your mind, Vajrayogini sees this, she returns back to the old physical, near the old physical form, and then immediately you visualize there naturally arising the three tripod of human heads.
Jigu digiba dosina ba rizam chaba lamsan din chaba de khone ba chaba de khoje din megul jibu sumbu digi thola ba kene dikera bana ba din ba dachi taji jigi de ya chaba be chuju din samda mo je chaba dachi taji jibe joye me ba chawres.
And then she when she touches the cuts the skull with her curved knife, when she touches the curved knife at the forehead, it cuts the skull out, and then she places the skull on the tripod of the three human heads, and then you should visualize this skull becoming very expansive and spacious.
Kamalia dine Kasum zero, the Kanashikama Yara dine Kasum zero, Lava Yara Kasum, Yimbal Kasum Zendine, the Hanashi Zoro, Tumbul Tuja, Zorikama Batu, what on gets about Tuja, what was in dinner, to take it in Shagru Vijara, to get it someone at dinner, Terranala de Yalpunda, Terranala de Yadine, Rashigi, the Charabin Nevas and Jeremiah, Kanamati Kin, to take it in the Chavamarisco.
So when she wields the curved knife in a sort of a gesture to cut into slices both the old physical form, starting from the left leg, she slices the left leg into three parts, and the right leg into three parts, and arms into three, and also the body into three parts, and slices them. And then you should visualize all of these fleshes and bones are put inside the kapala. It is not necessary to visualize the dakini working there and then gathering them, heaping them, and then putting into it, but you just rather visualize these are sort of naturally put inside.
슈베 첨부되는 사람들이 봐 칠대가로 어떤 데 상당 그랬어.
And you have to visualize the flesh as big as mountains, and the bloods and all the liquid parts as vast as forming like an ocean inside the Kapala.
어도선제 네 자치다 주선다. 근데 뒤에 가도 그랬더니 깔리데 가도 들더니 이게 오마 숨더니 땡 맞지 땡 와라 맞지 되더니 이게 숨지 상당 그랬어.
And then above the Kapala in the space, you visualize 3 syllables hum stacked on each other.
근데 들으더니 뒤에 와라야 되네. 오신능다. 능게 정거도 매일 정거도 나저 그 나신지 상당다.
And then underneath this Kapala, you visualize the base wind mandala, and then the fire mandala, and so forth, just like in the case of inner offering.
다 들으서 상당되더니 오고 능뒤에 매대발 매발. 근데 퇴배는 게 사라 되게 강으로 약회인다. 약회인데 그 회대베는 랑바디 이게 숨부터 포.
And then the wind at the base, the base wind stirs, and it ignites the flame, and the burning of the blazing of the flame melts, boils all the substance inside the Kapala, and the vapor, the hot vapor of the boiling substance inside the Kapala touches the 3 syllables, and it melts these 3 syllables inside the Kapala.
이게 소모되어 되는 말 무시하는 말 통되더니 홍지 말 통배가라 홍지 퇴원하는 말 통해가더니 저던 예배 저런 예배 좀 전장하라고 아데 템바가려 했더니 뒤질 정도하라고 엄도만 템바가려더니 세바나 받더니 같이 집에 런전에 배 세주명을 차송 선배가 와버렸어.
And then these syllables, the 3 syllables, they fall down upside down into the Kapala, and when hum falls into the Kapala, it purifies the defects of the taste and the smell, the odor of the substance inside the Kapala. And when R falls inside the Kapala, it transforms the substance into nectar. And when Om falls down, it multiplies the nectar inside the Kapala and makes it inexhaustible.
장도 바송 잘했다. 장하다 또바다.
So these 3 factors, like purifying and transforming and blazing, these 3 factors are just like as in the case of inner offering. It is actually it is not necessary to visualize the vowels and consonants compressing inside and then transforming into 3 syllables and so forth. This may not be done. And when you have visualized that your old physical form, body has become a big, vast ocean of nectar, and then you have to add you have to visualize the guest, the object of refuge.
라마다 주가 라마 되게 산다 여러분. 대전에 다 라마 주군을 내질 준정을 들려야 되니 또나 토로하는 거지. 또나 토로하는 거라더니 예담도 사제도 자주 삼아서 봤더니 어디서 그랬더니 꽈르대 가지겠다. 군주 시슈 전스인데 이제 상당을 했어.
So now you have visualized the spiritual guru surrounded with the lineage gurus, but in the front of this group you have to visualize Buddha Shakyamuni, which is surrounded by Bodhisattvas and all the deities of all the tantras and so forth. These are known as the guest. And on the right side of the spiritual gurus, you visualize Manjushri, which is surrounded by heroes and heroines and dharmapalas and so forth. This is known as the guest of the guest of virtue, the guest of protector virtue.
되죠 되네 바고 간도 주요 소마서 용다서다 다가 나시게 되네 정리 좀 공부 되죠 장하세요 되네 장송 초제사로 되네 사담이 되네 장송들이 여러 번 되죠다 된다 하나는 잠발라도 소바 되네 노래지다 어디서 가가로 되네 되죠 라로 소제 정에게 되네 소나 되서 가가로 대상다 초です.
So in this group you can visualize all the general dhammapalas and protectors, and also the god of wealth like Zambala, and many types of Mahakalas, and also all the protectors which you rely to.
되게 이용을 해야 되네. 이용을 파바지레스 지네. 파바지레스게 되네. 타고들이야. 너는 가는 중에 니지 자야게. 니지 자서 유드네. 로지 주고 생겨서 처음에 원드네 가서주면은 되게 지주고 뒤에는 생겨 되게 건강한데 뒤에 타고는 상당하레스.
And on the left side, in the middle, Avalokiteshvara, which is surrounded by all sentient beings which are object of our compassion.
이제 대나로리아 가서주면은 원드네 바도하고 소리가 렌자 라는 되게 렌자가 보내는데 이해하라고 들려다. 완전히 제사기지로 들려다. 어디서 상황을 대상당고 그랬어.
So within this group you should also visualize all the sentient beings of intermediate stage and so forth, and to whom you owe your services and so forth.
근데 되게 내자는 데서는 그사더니 승이지 뒤 단도 치는 데서는 무슨 치는 데서는 결론을 소유하지 결론을 제는 부정한테 결론을 가질 내야지 되어야 말이지. 제가 들으더니 내용하고 있단다. 근데 나가서요. 들으지를 맞지는데 저들 차나도지 코드를 해야 되니 되게 내자근데 어떻게 상당을 했어.
And then although in the text it is said that you should visualize behind, but it is better to visualize in front, rather slightly lower than the level of the spiritual guru. You visualize Vajrapani, which is surrounded by all the malevolent spirits, the evil spirit which harms you and to whom you owe your debt, to whom you owe services and debts and so forth.
완전히 내리 시작자식이 나보더니 내다더니 여러분 어떻게 소로거든 근데 이게 몇만 예배드니 하는 네 진짜 생기거든 계속 상황을 왔다 대상당을 했어.
So in this group you visualize all the harmful beings, both human and non-humans, and spirits which let loose many different types of illnesses, and also spells and so forth.
어다도 생기네. 다 차나도지 당한테는 더 되게 내상인데 월제사가 뒤에 나눠들 해야 되니 차나도지 상당하라서 이종 이용하들 해야 되니 니지 근데 지주니진데 그때 저거를 해야 되니 바바지레스 진 상당 도서래디 얘네 뒤에 나눠를 양 굉장히 서로 전에 쇼가 마도바 니 바바지레스 니진데 말했지 대 근데 차나도지 되게 내장인데 지주야 말에 코나족에 근데 굉장히 서로 공이 님들 서로 좀 도시는 근데 되게 내장적인 지기는 기구 서로 드레스 차나도지.
So although you visualize Avalokiteshvara inside that group of the sentient beings and so forth, and Vajrapani in the group of the spirits, harmful spirits and so forth, but you should not visualize them belonging to that group, but rather as a protector of this group, and also some kind of open force towards them, like you have a chief proctor in the monasteries.
어다 도시는 시상당야디 다 공조 시준들 공부 연예근들 리주미진들 되게 내장들 했는데 내세 시대다 라마초드니 야야다 데리야드니 온도진 내세 시상당야디 다 다른 디카돌에 도스레 대만이 받더니 또마 자자 당야라 받는다 다음에 이제 수 당야라 받는다 도서 강화를 해야드니 어디 내세 시기 상당야디 도스니 네바디 참말로 키초레스